In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to make a robbable bank or robbable gold by holding E. So first you're going to need a script inside Service Script service called Leaderstats, and I'll put that script in the description. And then you just add inside your part, this is going to be your gold, it's going to be robbable. You add in an attachment, you can call this prompt attachment. Inside the prompt attachment you're going to add in proximity prompt. Then you can, for the action text, you could write take gold, then object text E to take. Then you can decide how long you're going to do it, hold it for, what key you're going to do, you're going to keep it as E, max distance, and so on. Inside this you're going to add a script, get rid of print hello world, and first for the local you're going to do local proximity prompt, script.parent, then local gold equals proximity prompt.parent, and then script.parent.triggered connect function player, and then player.leaderstats dot whatever you called your currency, I did money, dot value equals the same as this, and then plus how much you want, we'll just do 100 for now. And then if you want to, you can do script.parent, no, you can do gold destroy, because then it gets rid of it, and then it's more realistic. But what you could also do is proximity prompt enabled equals false, but I would put a wait between there because otherwise it may glitch. So I just put a 0.5 there, and then we'll test this out. Okay, you're in here, you go up to it, E to take gold, you hold E, I get 1,600, it's still there, but you get 1,000 more. Then if you want it to be enabled again, you just have to wait a certain amount of seconds. Then you just wait however many seconds you want. We'll do 5 for now. So that would be how many seconds you want to wait until it can be robbable again. I've done 5 seconds, you can do whatever you want. Then you take gold, 6,000, you can't rob it again, which is nice, and then 5 seconds later you can do it again. And if you guys are wondering where I've got all of this stuff from, so on, this is going to be in one of my new games that I'm making. So yeah, I hope that helped. If it did, leave a like, maybe even subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to play my game at some point.